Okay, how to do better in math. Okay, first thing you can do is get an early start. So begin studying at least a month before the course begins. So during your summer break, winter break, you're reading ahead. Uh, uh, so I want you want to choose a good instructor. You can use things like Rate My Professor or word of mouth. I know we've all had professors we did not like that class. We feel like we're doing very bad in the class, getting bad grades, and it's mostly because the teacher's fault. So ask around. Use I've found Rate My Professors pretty reliable for choosing good professors. Uh, See if the teacher has a website, uh, so you can see if you can find the syllabus or get a paper copy. That way you can know what books you need to buy, what chapters you have to study, and problems to solve. So you would do this before the class even starts, just getting ahead. All right, so some free help you would get. So tutoring services. I work part time as a tutor. Um, so first thing you want to do is inquire with with the tutoring office. Ask what they offer, because I know some colleges they only do appointments only. You just can't walk in and ask for help. So some different types of tutoring available. We have walk-in, which is the tutoring lab. See what the hours are. Ask when they're busy. I know a problem with the tutoring lab I've seen is you have too many students and not enough tutors. So you're waiting around several minutes waiting for the teacher or tutor to come back around and give you help. And it's kind of annoying. And I know walking past the tutor lab and you see it's packed and they got one or two people in there, tutors, you just keep on walking because you feel like there's no point. So you can also request one-on-one. Check with the tutoring lab. Not don't ask your teacher about tutoring, sir, what they offer. Actually, call the tutoring center. Um, so one-on-one would probably be your best bet for most people. And of course, there's online tutoring. See what the college offers in terms of online tutoring. More free help. Teacher office hours. You're gonna have to see the syllabus for that. Ask the smart kids in the class for help. We've all done that. Find the smart kid, ask him for help. We can also look at Google, YouTube, PDF files, uh, algebra and calculus calculators like Wolfram. So you use the library. Like when I take algebra or calculus, I would go to the library and check out several different algebra or calculus books. Now I wouldn't read them all. I would mostly just skim them if I was looking for certain examples, certain problems. So things like solutions manuals, the college generally does have them, but you can only borrow them. So borrow up to 3 hours. Go to the circulation desk to request them. Uh, Another thing you can do, so you have to memorize things. So doing the homework is generally not enough. Just the homework alone. You got to do as many problems as possible. Do a wide variety of problems. So I would usually do all the odd problems in the text because the answers are in the back of the book. And with the solutions manuals, generally they some only contain odd problems. So generally, at least all the odd problems I would do. So if you feel like you still need more examples, more problems, ask your teacher or tutor. I know I've done that. I generally make up additional problems for students to solve if they need them. So, and you can always search the internet for more examples and more problems, and maybe you'll get lucky. They're going to have solutions with them. So things you're going to have to pay for. Chegg's one of them. I had to. I paid for Chegg for a while just because I needed solutions for stuff. Um, it's very popular. Yeah, you may have to pay for tutoring. You can probably find flyers around the college for people offering tutoring services. You'll have to pay them hourly. And of course, uh, I would always, make sure before you buy a textbook, see if the college has it, or just rent the textbook. Don't actually buy it because then you're kind of stuck with it. Same thing with solutions manuals. I have a lot of textbooks, and I like to go buy solutions manuals for them. So a lot of textbooks I got for free, but I would go ahead and just get the solutions manuals with them because I like to have the solution manuals on hand. Just it just looks good, and just in case. Okay, I hope this helped.